Okay, so this is the mower that you are going to fix.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm going to fix it with the power of my mind. Okay? Right? So I'm going to go sit in that chair over there. All right? And when it's fixed, I will let you know.
Okay. All right, well, I don't see it's working yet.
Home. It will work.
All right.
Proper tools for the proper job. Okay? First,
What?
we're going to start by washing all this transgender off.
Oh my God. Ah.
No. Okay. All right. We got to go. All right. Now we've got the real power tool.
Why did you need to wash it?
Huh?
Don't tell me it didn't work because it was not washed.
Still.
Okay. Why did you wash it?
So it's clean, so I take parts that are clean.
Oh, okay. Fine. Wow. You don't want to get dirty, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to get
Wow.
dirty. All right, let's check it. Make sure it doesn't work. Nope, doesn't work. Hold on. Let's check. Is there gas? Yeah, there's gas.
Well,
Hold on. Let's check and see if it's a carburetor problem or something else.
what are you doing right now? Ew. What is it? What is this stuff?
Brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner?
Yeah, we'll see if it runs now.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't appear to run. But
What is that?
looks like a filter.
Oh, not on me, because the wind. Ugh.
Let me clean the filter.
Clean the filter like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that? No. All right. Let's do a little shot.
Why?
See if a little fuel will start it. No. All right. Oil seems fine. Could be spark plugs wet now because I power washed it.
Mm-hmm. Genius.
Hold on.
So what do you think is the problem?
I think the carburetor. Carburetor's a problem.
So what are you doing now? Why are you throwing the brake cleaner in there?
Yeah, well, it should be car cleaner, but anyway.
Card cleaner?
Yeah, close.
Oh my God. Ew.
Alright, so spark work. We're gonna have to take a couple screws out here.
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna take the screws out and get down to the carburetor.
To do what?
To the carburetor?
Clean it?
Huh?
Clean it or what? What are you doing with the carburetor? So you're taking them off?
we're taking a couple screws out here. Oh, I need a different tool here. Well, I'm taking this off real quick to access the carburetor on here.
Okay, to do what? Just to look?
No, my assumption is the gas has been sitting here too long, and the carburetor is like gelled up.
Oh.
So we have to clean the carburetor out and then stick it back together.
So yeah, because we bought the riding mower. When was it?
Oh, I don't know. A year ago.
A year ago, yeah. So so this, it's been sitting there for a year. But you know, when I just, you know, pulled it out of the
There's
storage,
usually
it started, and then it just died.
That's because there was some good fuel in there.
Mhm. So it's just a bad fuel, huh?
Yeah.
We need new fuel.
Yeah, more than likely.
Okay.
So we'll see what we'll do. We will take and hold it.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking
The line?
I'm taking the line off.
Shouldn't you drain the gasoline somewhere? Not all over the floor here?
Probably should.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, Ducky. That's our ducks. And the chicken.
We took the carburetor out. Right now we're going to take the bowl off and we're going to check it out and see if there's any gumming inside. And then we'll go from there.
Alright.
So we took the bowl off. There's no signs of
Gumming.
yeah.
So carburetor's fine.
Yeah.
Don't we have a warranty on this thing?
From many years ago.
No, not many. Just bought it 2 years ago.
In Pennsylvania?
What? No.
We bought it.
We bought it here. We came here. You left all our good mowers to this buyer. Yeah. We had to go and buy new in here.
Well, anyway.
So you putting it now, putting it back together,
Yeah.
and then
Probably should have cleaned the port out, but it looks really clean. So
all right.
we're gonna try it. I gotta go find some good gas. So.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Okay. See if it starts. Don't you have to put all the bolts and stuff over there? Oh.
Yeah. Well, I don't think the fuel's any good.
Yeah.
Well, let me go see if I can find some fuel. Okay.
Okay. All right. Found some good fuel.
try to pour some of this in. Let's see if we have any luck. Here we go. Fueling her up. All right. Oh, I don't know what to talk about here right now. I don't think it's gonna start. I think it's inside the carburetor. It's probably gelled up a little bit. Yeah.
But we just opened up. It was nothing.
Yeah, but it might take a minute for that good fuel to get in.
Yeah, okay.
You know, good fuel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Non-liberal.
Ah. Come on.
I waited too long.
You look weak. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's probably gonna have to do some more dissecting.
Dissecting?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some brain surgery.
Huh.
It's not quite cleared yet.
No, it's okay. You didn't go to the gym today, so here's your gym.
We gotta get some good fuel in there somehow.
Yeah. What, you're out?
Yeah, we're gonna put this back together anyway.
All right. Fixed. Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome.